Hello, and welcome to Week 2 presentation, ICD-10 Coding Conventions. This is Dr. Regina Glenn, and I will be hosting this presentation. In order to be able to locate a code in the index and tabular, you will need to understand some of the coding conventions used in the ICD-10 CM Code Manual. Instructional notes are general notes that provide general information about a specific section. Instructional notes are located in both the index and the tabular. One type of an instructional note is an includes note. Includes notes indicate conditions which are included. Includes notes may cover entire chapters, a category, or a single code. These notes provide synonyms, give examples, provide definitions, or identify conditions similar enough to be classified to the same code. Another type of an instructional note is an exclusion note. Excludes notes identify conditions that are not to be assigned to a category or a block of codes. In ICD-10 CM, there are two types of excludes notes. Excludes 1 means not coded here. An excludes 1 note indicates that the code excluded should never be used at the same time as the code above the excludes 1 note. The other excludes note is excludes 2. Excludes 2 means not included here. An excludes 2 note indicates that the condition excluded is not a part of the condition represented by the code, but a patient may have both conditions at the same time. It may be appropriate to use both the code and the excluded code together. Another instructional note is code first underlying conditions. This instructional note is used in the tabular list. It instructs the coder that the code is for a condition that is a manifestation of an underlying disease. The instructional note tells the coder that the code for the underlying condition must be used and sequenced first. Similar to the code first underlying condition instructional note, the use additional code instructional note tells the coder that another code must be assigned. The use additional code instructional note indicates that another code is needed to completely describe the condition. Two abbreviations that are common instructional notes are NEC and NOS. NEC means not elsewhere classified. This abbreviation is used in the index and tabular list and means other specified. NOS means not elsewhere specified. This abbreviation is used in the index and tabular list and means unspecified. There are 4 cross-reference instructional notes. These are See Also, See Category, and See Condition. The instructional note See directs the coder to refer to an alternative term. See Also advises the coder to refer to another place. See Category refers the coder to a different category. And See Condition directs the coder to a different main term. Three punctuation marks commonly used as instructional notes are parentheses, brackets, and colons. Parentheses are used to enclose supplementary words. These words may or may not be included in the diagnostic statement and are considered to be non-essential modifiers. Brackets are used to enclose synonyms, abbreviations, or explanatory phrases. The presence or absence of a phrase does not affect the code assignment. Finally, colons are used with includes and excludes notes to indicate that one item from the list must be present. There are three relational terms to be aware of when coding. These are an, due to, and with. The word and should be interpreted to mean and or. The word with should be interpreted to mean associated with or due to. This is the end of the presentation on ICD-10 CM coding conventions. If you have any questions, please contact your instructor.